Hey, I'm out here doing some tow trucks in Disney. Be backed up until next week. I already did 6. This is number 10. Yeah. 6 today, 4 yesterday. Oh my goodness. And it's really a hassle because they come in really clean already, except they're covered in pollen. When I spray the pollen off, it doesn't come off with the water, so I gotta wipe it. Once I wipe it, the pollen really wants to scratch. And this one had no coating on it, so I had to improvise with my ceramic wax. Use it like dryer aid. Yeah, this is all pollen that I already cleaned off. Just sticks right back to it. It's like static sticking.